Yo, what's up? Back at it again. We got a new set of wheels for the Miata, so we can finally get rid of these nasty things here. Just got a couple of Steelies laying around, so we had to throw those on. But we're gonna go ahead and start an unboxing real quick. Doing this with my left hand, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but been excited for getting these. Ordered them about a week ago and finally came today. Alright, so I went with a 15x9. They're polished, or I think they're machine finish. And they're by J&C. They're like a 5-spoke. I went with something a little different than I usually do. I'm usually like a Steelies type of guy. And I had 15x10s, were the white ones that I just took off in the last video you guys saw. But I went with something a little different. I haven't had a chrome wheel yet, so I think it'll look pretty good. I'm already liking them. There they are. Alright, I'm going to get them out of the box real quick and then I'll get back to the video. Alrighty, so here they are. 15x9, 4x100. Look pretty good. I like the size of the lip. They look pretty good. And I was wondering if the machine finish was going to be a little more rough, but I actually like how it looks. I was wondering if I was going to have to polish these lips, but I actually like how they look. They got a really good finish on them, as you can see. I think it'll look super clean. Real hype. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take all the rest of them out, and then I'm gonna jack this thing up and start test fitting them. I'm actually gonna be running an 1-inch spacer in the rear here because I have a wide body, as you can see, and with the 15x10s that I had on it, I was like I had a really decent fitment, but it was real close, and I wish I could push it out a little wider, but I think with the 15x9s, they'll fit really well in the front, which the 10s, they fit okay, but they were a little bit pushed out, a little bit too much, so I think the 9s will fit really well, and the 10s, or the 9s in the rear with the inch spacer, which will pretty much make it a 10, they should fit pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of these out, and then we'll jack this thing up and get it all started for you. Alright, got them all out now. I'm really liking how they look. They're sweet. Decent enough lip. Super clean. I think it'll look awesome with the wrap color that I chose. But we're going to test fit them on now. I'm not going to be keeping this wrap. I don't know if I told you guys this or not. But this wrap is going. This is actually called Avery Diamond White. But yeah, the whole trunk is getting changed. I'm getting a new stock trunk, so it's just no ring at all. I have two right now. I have the little ducktail and the big one. They're both gonna go away, and this whole wrap color and color scheme is gonna go away, and I got a completely new color coming. That should be pretty soon, actually. But I did really like the white. I just figured I would change it up for 2018. So we got the new wrap, new wheels. We'll go ahead and test fit these, and let's get started. now that I got the first wheel test fit, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of them on, and then I'm going to time lapse that so that you guys don't have to watch all of that. So once I get them all on, I'll come back to you. Alright, well, just got the front one on, and it fits like absolutely perfect. I'm going to be going a little lower too, so it'll look real good. But I really like how they fit in the front. It's perfect size, 15 by 9. And then the rears with the spacer, they could be pushed out a little bit more, but I think it'll do for now. I think it'll be pretty good. If I want to, I could get a bigger spacer and have it with like a 1.5 inch spacer. I think that would look maybe even a little bit better, but I'm trying to get a better angle. It really looks awesome. It's kind of making me want to keep the white. I don't know, the white and the chrome look pretty awesome together. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. Alright, so that's pretty much going to wrap it up for the test fit portion of the video. I'm going to go ahead and do a little cinematic shot so you can see like different angles of it and everything, but that should be it for today. Thanks for watching.